Hello, yellow class. How do you feel today? Are you angry? Are you sad? Are you happy? Today, I'm happy. Are you happy, yellow class? Tell me, what's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it windy? Is it sunny? I don't know. Let's look out the window. Oh, today is a sunny day. Okay, yellow class, let's play a game. What animal is it? Look. It's a cow. What animal is it? Look. It's a horse. What animal is it? Look. It's a sheep. What animal is it? Look. It's a hen. Okay, yellow class, let's see the farm animals one more time. Cow, horse, sheep, hen. Thanks for watching, yellow class. See you soon. Bye-bye.